TAC. Welcome to NAC TAC 910.
Percent.
NAC. Today my teacher said only 40% of the class were passed in the math test. Do you know what percent is?
Yes, TAC. Let's talk about percentages in this session. For that, let's break down the word percent. Per means divide and cent means 100. Percent is dividing a number by 100. Percent is represented by this symbol. If we write 40%, it means 40 by 100. We learned that the word of means multiplication. So, if you say your class has a strength of 50 students and 40% of the students pass the test, that means we need to find 40% of 50. 40% can be written as 40 divided by 100, and of means multiplication. Multiplying 40 by 50 gives 2,000, and dividing that by 100 gives us 20, which means 20 students passed in this class. Now can you tell me what is 25% of 60?
Yeah, let me try that. Solving from left to right, 25% means 25 by 100, and of means multiplication. Multiplying 25 by 60 gives 1,500. Dividing this 1,500 by 100 gives us 15. So 25% of 60 is 15.
That's correct. So now you know the meaning of percent. Let's see if you can solve a few questions. Can you write these percentages in integer mixed fractions or numbers? First is 57%, then 40%, then 200%, then negative 135%, and finally negative 100%.
Let me solve the first question. A, 57%. We know percent means per 100, so 57% can be written as 57 by 100. Now let's move to the second question. We can write this 40% as 40 by 100, which can be further simplified to 4 by 10, which can be simplified to 2 by 5. But NAC, can a percent be greater than 100 or negative or both?
Yes, TAC. Percent can be any number, positive or negative. Just keep in mind that there is always a hidden denominator as 100. The negative percent is solved in the same way as positive percent, but just by adding the negative sign in front of it. Now can you try solving the remaining 3 questions?
Yes, I'll try. 200% will be 200 by 100 equals 2, which is the integer. Negative 135% will be negative 135% by 100 equals negative 27 by 20. This will be a mixed number as negative 7 by 20. Negative 100% will be negative 100 by 100, which is negative 1.
Great, TAC. You've learned it. Can you see in the last question we have negative 100%? Remember that 100% of 100 is 1. Now you have written percentages into numbers where we have hidden denominator as 100. If we want to convert numbers into percentages, we have to multiply with 100% and not change its value when we get the result. If we want to convert 2 by 5 into percentage, we just have to multiply 2 by 5 by 100%. Now can you try converting 27 by 29, 1, negative 13 by 50 into percentages?
27 by 29 will be 27 by 29 times 100% equals 2,700 by 29 equals 93 and 3 by 29%. As you told me, 100% of 100 is 1. So 1 times 100% equals 100%. Negative 13 by 50 will be written as negative 12 by 50 times 100 equals negative 26.
Very good, TAC. Now I will teach you how to convert percentage into decimal, and vice versa. If you want to write percentage into numbers, a percentage already has 100 as denominator, so we can assume that we divide by 100. If we want to convert per decimal into percentage, we multiply 100%. For example, if we want to convert 59% into decimal, it will be 59 divided by 100 equals 0.59. And if we want to convert 0.59 into percentage, it will just be 0.59 times 100, which is 59%. Now convert 65% into decimal, 157% into decimal, 8.56 into percent, 0.05 into percent.
1. 65% will be 65 by 100 equals 0.65. 2. We know that 100% of 100 is 1, and since the percent is more than 100, the answer should be greater than 1. 157% will be 157 by 100, which is equal to 1.57. 3. 8.56 will be 8.56 times 100% equals 856%. 4. 0.05 will be 0.05 times 100% equals 5%.
Good. Now I'll put forward questions based on the same concept with different framing language. Can you tell me what percent of 50 is 25?
I don't think I get this. Could you please help me?
Let's go as per the question. It means like x percent of 50 equals 25. So x divided by 100 times 50 equals 25. X equals 50% times 25, which is 50% of 50. Now can you tell me how to solve negative 15 is what percent of 5?
It means negative 15 equals x percent of 5. Negative 15 is equal to x by 100 times 5 equals negative 300% of 5.
Can you solve the reverse? Like 40 is 80% of what number?
If we go according to the question, it means 40 equals 80% times x. 40 equals 80 by 100 times x equals 50. 40 is 80% of 50.
That's why I always say math is easy and fun when you understand your concept with a little bit of practice and
loads of fun.